When considering a move to Europe or planning for retirement, the financial aspect is often a top concern. Fortunately, there are several countries across Europe that offer enticingly affordable living options, making them ideal for expats and retirees alike. Let's take a closer look at some of the cheapest countries in Europe to relocate to, highlighting not just their affordability, but also the unique charm and lifestyle they offer. Before we unveil our first gem, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest tips on affordable properties around the globe. First up, we have the island of Cyprus. Cyprus is an independent nation located in the far eastern Mediterranean. Renowned for its stunning scenery, it boasts one of the highest average temperatures in the Mediterranean and offers crystal clear, warm waters. If you're open to exploring slightly inland, you can find properties for less than $100,000, while coastal areas tend to be pricier. Additionally, Cyprus has low tax rates designed to attract international investors. The island is steeped in rich history and culture, with ancient ruins and historical landmarks that tell tales of its storied past. Visitors can wander through the streets of Nicosia, the last divided capital in Europe, or explore the ancient city of Kourion, where breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea await. Cyprus is so popular to relocate to that 1 in every 5 residents was born outside the island. When we refer to Cyprus, we are generally referring to the larger southern area of Cyprus called the Republic of Cyprus. The northern part is a part of Turkey. Cyprus is not just about history and landscapes, it also offers a vibrant culinary scene. Traditional Cypriot dishes such as halloumi cheese, souvlaki, and moussaka delight the senses, often paired with locally produced wines that capture the essence of the island's sun-drenched vineyards. For those seeking adventure, Cyprus provides numerous outdoor activities. Hiking trails in the Troodos Mountains offer a glimpse into the island's diverse flora and fauna, while water sports enthusiasts can indulge in snorkeling, diving, and sailing along the pristine coastline. Next up, we have Bulgaria. This lesser-known European nation, nestled along the Black Sea, is quickly becoming a beloved destination for those seeking sun, sea, and savings. The stunning sunny beach area has transformed into a vibrant tourist hotspot, attracting visitors from around the world. However, what truly sets Bulgaria apart is its incredibly low property prices. Imagine owning a spacious 4-bedroom house for as little as 90,000 euros. Beyond the affordability, Bulgaria boasts a rich cultural heritage, breathtaking natural landscapes, and a friendly local community. The blend of modern amenities with traditional charm makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to settle in Europe without breaking the bank. Now we travel back to Mediterranean and encounter one of the more renowned nations for sun worshippers, Greece. The allure of Greece is undeniable, with its picturesque islands, azure waters, and rich history. For those with a bit more to invest, it's even possible to purchase your very own island, provided you have around 3 million euros to spare. However, for most expats, the mainland offers some of the most affordable living options, particularly the Peloponnese region. The cost of living is significantly lower than in many Western European countries, and you can enjoy delicious local cuisine and a laid-back lifestyle. Larger islands like Crete are particularly popular for their affordability and stunning scenery, but if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, then the island of Chios is incredibly affordable. Now we come to possibly the most popular European country for those looking to relocate to the sunny coast of the Mediterranean, Spain. Spain continues to be a top choice for expats, particularly along the mainland coast. Regions such as Costa del Sol and Costa Blanca are known for their sunny weather, beautiful beaches, and vibrant communities. The property market here offers some of the best deals in Europe, making it easy to find affordable homes where you can soak up the sun while enjoying a high quality of life. The diverse culture, rich history, and friendly locals create a welcoming atmosphere for those looking to settle down. The major cities of Barcelona and Madrid are generally more expensive options. Other options include the Balearics, such as Ibiza. However, the Balearics do come at a premium. Now a more obscure choice, Croatia. Croatia's stunning coastline and charming towns have gained popularity over the years, making it a desirable spot for retirees and expats. Towns like Split and Dubrovnik are famous for their historical architecture and breathtaking views, but they can also come at a premium. For more affordable options, consider smaller towns along the Istrian Peninsula or in the interior, where you can find charming homes at a fraction of the price. The vibrant culture, delicious Mediterranean cuisine, and stunning natural landscapes make Croatia a fantastic place to call home. Despite a huge uptick in British tourists over the last decade, this gem of a nation is still not as popular to move to despite the affordability, with less than 1,000 Brits calling Croatia home. Portugal is another gem in the realm of affordable European living. The Algarve region, known for its stunning beaches and warm climate, has become a favorite among retirees. However, the cost of living in cities like Lisbon and Porto has been rising, yet they still offer a more affordable lifestyle compared to other Western European capitals. The friendly locals, vibrant culture, and delicious food make Portugal a delightful place to settle down. Additionally, the residency programs for retirees and digital nomads have made it easier for foreigners to enjoy all that Portugal has to offer. If golf is your thing, then Portugal has some of the best golf courses in Europe. Next up is Italy, mainly southern Italy, particularly regions like Sicily, Molise, and Calabria is a treasure trove for those seeking a sunny, affordable lifestyle. The charm of small towns, delicious cuisine, and a slower pace of life create an inviting atmosphere for expats. One of the most intriguing initiatives is the €1 home buying scheme, which allows buyers to acquire dilapidated properties for just €1, perfect for those with a flair for renovation. While these homes may require significant investment to restore, the potential for creating a dream home in a beautiful setting is an enticing prospect. Unfortunately, the major cities of Rome, Milan, and Venice are very high on the price side of things. Next up is Turkey. Though not entirely within Europe, Turkey deserves a mention for its affordability and unique appeal. The Turkish lira has been facing challenges, presenting a golden opportunity for those from the UK or the United States to take advantage of an excellent exchange rate. Antalya is a popular destination for sun seekers, offering modern developments and a variety of properties. The blend of historical sites, stunning beaches, and a vibrant culture makes Turkey an exciting place to explore and potentially call home. If the cheapest option is what you're after, then looking into the Black Sea city of Ordu may be the best choice. In conclusion, Europe is filled with incredible destinations that offer affordable living options for those looking to retire or relocate. From the sunny shores of Bulgaria and Greece to the charming towns of southern Italy and the vibrant streets of Portugal, there's a perfect spot for everyone. With the cost of living being significantly lower in these countries, it's possible to enjoy a rich and fulfilling lifestyle without the financial burden. So whether you're dreaming of a peaceful retirement or an adventurous new chapter, consider these fantastic countries that promise both affordability and an enriching experience. So many options, just where is the best place to move? In Southern Europe, the one drawback for most of the nations is employment is not easy to find, and therefore is more suitable for those looking to retire or those that can work remotely or looking for second homes. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe